Or if it's not working, just press on the screen.
Oh, big cuddles, big cuddles, big cuddles. They're going to take a photo for us down here.
Okay.
Oh, we're going to photo. Huh? You just want to wait, see how they smile. We're going to do the same. Nice and close. Nice and close. Waiting, Ben. There's people going past. We wait for our photo. Just move over.
Gider va?
언니가 여기 있을 것 같아.
Excuse me.
So while I'm not looking?
Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Сейчас. Sorry. Excuse me, how much it take time?
10 minutes.
You have to come back here?
5 minutes down, 5 minutes up.
careful with your phones.
Yeah.
It might be slip from your.
Yeah. We will show this one.
Fucking cold.
Yeah. My hands are freezing.
You came from Europe?
No, Singapore.
For you will be very cold.
Yes. This is my second time here, so.
You were here before, huh?
Yes.
Ah.
6 years or 5 years ago.
I get that.
You?
I'm Pakistani but living in Australia.
All right. You alone?
Yeah, I'm alone.
Right. Solo adventure. That's nice.
Yeah. They don't want with me. Okay, I will go myself. Not a problem.
I was here alone as well. And now it's a good weather actually.
Yeah.
Last time was,
Because season is off.
Sorry?
Season is off now.
Yeah.
And another thing is the weather is not too much cold.
Not much tourists as well.
Yeah, no more tourists as well. That's right. That's right.
Last time was like all these mountains are covered with
Yeah.
mist and all. Your first time here?
Yeah, first time here.
Great. Long travel up from Australia.
Yes, 20 hours.
Wow.
20 hours. 14 hours to Dubai
Yeah. Oh, Dubai.
and 6 hours from Dubai to here.
Right. I'm a picture.
This is the best thing if you want to buy something for all these things.
The GoPro.
The GoPro.
Yeah, I used to have one, but it just,
Just put here and you can like enjoy.
yeah.
And just press the button and that's it.
Yes.
That's it.
And you need a lot of battery as well, right?
Yeah, I bought 2 batteries.
Right.
Yeah, battery is not a problem. The timing is more important.
Yes. Just shoot the important
Yeah,
ones then.
timing.
After this,
After this, I'm going to Zermatt.
where's that?
Zermatt is
Here, Switzerland as well.
yeah, Switzerland. I'm only in Switzerland for.
All right.
Yeah.
We were staying in Zurich, then we thought we could just go to Lucerne and Titlis.
Yeah, I'm going from here to other mountains. I'm like my visit is only to the mountains.
Oh, right.
Yeah, I don't like cities.
Oh, yes.
Yeah,
That's great.
yeah.
Interlaken?
Interlaken in the end.
Right. Nice.
But to be careful if you want to go to the top of the Europe,
Yeah.
you have to check the weather. Otherwise, you will lose money.
Oh, yeah. Actually, here is
Yeah,
too expensive.
yeah. It's a tip.
It's too expensive.
Yeah, too expensive, but like you pay money and you enjoy nothing is zero. But a lot of people they go, oh, I want to go to the top of the Europe.
Yeah.
But when they go there, you can't see nothing because all clouds.
Right. And now it's just a good weather, right?
Yeah, I got better. Still, we have cold in Australia.
Yeah.
Still cold, but for me, it's okay, no problem. I'm used to.
No snow, man.
Oh my goodness. Oh. Okay. Okay. I want to check how much I have my battery. Yeah, battery is enough.
Oh, it's gonna lose.
Yeah, soon I lose my one battery. I put another battery on charge. So by the time the first battery became down, that was ready. Yeah, but I should supposed to buy another one. Better to buy 3.
Yep.
So when you have a camera, your mind is half. You want to make a picture, I don't want to make a picture.
Yeah, you just enjoy it.
Just enjoy it. Yeah, and that's it. Okay.
लोग करके आओ
चलो हम लोग करके आ जाते हैं
हम यहाँ बैठते हैं करना है
On your knee. On your heel, sorry, heel.
Yes, yeah.
On the heel.
This is just a side grip. Sometimes you don't have the proper grip.
Ah, see? I gone.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine, no problem. I am fine. I try my best, but even then I drop.
I was following you. You were doing heels.
Yeah, that was fine, but I think there was a stone there. I missed that stone. Yeah. I put my foot on a stone. It's better to come like this.
You're okay now. Come on. Probably better to this side.